So as you can see, to demonstrate what WooCommerce does, when I upload a photo to my Facebook page for my website, thailand-amulet.com, I have WooCommerce shop in that, which also connects with the shop tab of Facebook and adds all of the products as a catalog, which, as you can see now, I'm tagging this photo I uploaded to my Facebook page, and it's allowing me to tag a photo I upload with anything from my product catalog, which, if I use one of my other e-commerce software solutions, Equid, also makes a store tab with the whole store inserted into the Facebook page you make for your website and store. But it doesn't submit all of the products to a product catalog, but WooCommerce does. So any of these pictures I may upload, as you can see, I can click on them and tag them with a product. I haven't added these products in Business Manager or Product Manager or any of the developer tools within the developers domain of Facebook, for Facebook developers or page owners. I tried to do with Equid, but I just couldn't. I couldn't even add one product. It took me like, I added one product. It took me like half an hour to get the product added. I've got about 4,000 products in my top Equid store. This WooCommerce store, just every time I write a post or a product, firstly the product gets shared to the Facebook page. So this is the Facebook page for thailand-amulet.com. And as a manager, I'm seeing this stuff. There's the shop items that have just been, that are latest additions to the shop, and people can see that. But also, if you scroll down the page, you will see that there are posts made, which, because I use a WordPress site to use my WooCommerce shop, I use also Jetpack from Wordpress.com. So Jetpack is a plugin which has social sharing, and that will mean any product or blog post I make on thailand-amulet.com will be auto-shared to this Facebook fan page for thailand-amulet.com automatically, without me having to share it. What I'm doing automatically. What I'm doing now is, for the shop, I'm making like category lists, collections. I would call them categories, but collections, okay. So I can make a collection of a certain kind of topic or theme, which in this case you can see I'm titling the theme, Serm Duong, which means to improve karma. And I'm looking for amulet products from my WooCommerce store, which have been automatically inserted by WooCommerce and WordPress and the Jetpack, not the Jetpack theme, just WooCommerce plugin for WordPress on thailand-amulet.com. It not only allows me to automatically share any post or product to this Facebook page without having to do it myself, just have to publish the post or the product and it automatically gets posted to my wall as a share, and the product gets posted to the product catalog within Facebook's database of products. And the shop tab of Facebook receives WooCommerce store from my thailand-amulet.com website as the data, as the products. Whereas when I use the other solution I have, equid.com, it makes a separate tab called shop or store, and it puts all the Equid products in there. But they don't enter into this product database of Facebook, and it's separate to the shop or the store tab of Facebook's generic shop tab or store tab. Can't remember what they call it here. And I'm recording this on an iPhone, so I can't read the links on the left of the menu. The shop tab, yeah? So WooCommerce connects with and fills the shop tab from Facebook up with its products. Equid doesn't. It makes a separate shop tab, a separate tab, and it does not submit its products. You can see this pink Kunpan amulet. You see, it was a share to this website. As soon as I posted this product on Thailand Amulet, the product, be it a post or a product, was automatically shared. You can see I have blog posts here, recent posts. these are recent blog posts. So you can see this Watsy Jant blessing ceremony. When I posted this, it was automatically shared to the Facebook page, which you can see here. I didn't share this to the page, just publishing it shared it. These were just shared by me. These are products shared, which I shared manually. But the other one, the blessing at Watsy Jant here, this one here, was automatically shared by Jetpack, what I'm highlighting here. This was automatically shared when I published the post, and it's the same with products. But when I publish a product in Equid, it doesn't automatically share to the Facebook page. It doesn't automatically add it to the store tab. It's a separate store tab, and it definitely doesn't add my products to the product list within Facebook's database for each fan page as a store. So I can't check sales in my business manager in Facebook, but with WooCommerce I can check sales I've made, and I can also tag the photos, which is what we saw at the beginning of this. So when I post something from thailandamulet.com here, a product or a post, it gets shared automatically to Facebook. All products go into the Facebook product database of this Facebook shop tab. And if I upload a photograph to that Facebook page, or I want to tag a photograph in my Facebook journeys, I can tag it with one of my products from my WooCommerce store if I'm acting as this page, which is what I was doing at the beginning of this video. Here you can see it again just as a recap. So if you're wondering what I'm doing now, I'm now within the publishing tools of the Facebook page of thailand-amulet.com, and I'm creating a collection which is to do with the store settings of the shop tab, of the Facebook shop tab, which instead of creating my own products within the Facebook shop functions, I just connected my WooCommerce store and it added all the products as a product catalog. So from that product catalog, which is already in there, I think I have 60 or 70 products in this small new store, I'm creating a collection which is like an album basically. This album is for Serm Duong in Thai, which means good karma, improve your karma or your fate or your horoscope, improve your lucky fortunes, your fate and fortune. And I'm now I'm doing search to look for certain kinds of amulets within my product catalog, which Facebook has so kindly automatically imported every single product and continues to import every new product I add to this new website, and lets me choose amulets which belong to this particular collection, or I would say category or type of amulet. So I make collections in the case of this shop for different types of amulets or different types of powers. So this is not a kind of Buddha image or sacred powder amulet or magic scrolls. This case is going by power, not by type of amulet. It's a collection of amulets which improve your karma. So I've added those products to those collections, and those collections will be shown in the shop tab of my Facebook page. And the products it shows will come from a product catalog within Facebook, which is precisely the same product catalog in my WooCommerce store on my WordPress site. So now I'm going to log into the WordPress site and look at Jetpack. Now just to digress for a moment, I'm showing you now here the Jetpack settings. I'm showing you here, this is a post, which was the post which was automatically shared by the Jetpack. And the products, the latest product, which was also shared to the Facebook page by the Jetpack WordPress plugin. So I would recommend, if you use WordPress and WooCommerce, that you install Jetpack and add your Facebook page, the relevant page you want to share to. It will share automatically. But if I upload a photo here, I can tag it with any of the products I have put in my WooCommerce store in my WordPress website. They will be automatically sent here, like this one we're looking at, the Watsy Jan blog post. And any product you post in your store on your WordPress website with WooCommerce and have connected with Jetpack to your Facebook page, or with or without Jetpack with WooCommerce, it will share all of your products to the shop tab of Facebook, and you will be able to tag photos, the ones you upload and maybe other people's photos if permissions allow, with your products. And so here is where in Jetpack you would do the sharing options in your website on a WordPress. This is WordPress, and this would be to show you, when you click on that, it takes you to wordpress.com, and you can see now your sharing options. I've connected to 3 or 4 different ones. You can see which page I've connected to. If you have more than one page, it lets you select which page you're going to share to when you post a post or a product. If you have BX Page RSS plugin on your WordPress, then it will also share pages if you post a page. And here we have Google Plus and Twitter and Tumblr. I don't use LinkedIn, that's a load of bullshit. That's for corporate businessmen, and if you're not a corporate businessman, you shouldn't use it. It's an abuse to use it, and they abuse you anyway. But anyway, Twitter there, and I use Tumblr. So those will be automatically shared to those networks from your WordPress website, which this is. We're looking at Thailand-amulet.com. At the blessing ceremony of the Tukuton Watsy Jan, which was automatically shared to the Facebook page. So all of these products get automatically added to the database of the shop tab of Facebook as you post them and your posts with WordPress and Jetpack. That here, what I'm clicking on, is the stats. Shows you your last 48 hours of stats. You can look at it weekly or monthly. I've only just installed this on this website, so the stats are still small. You can see referrers, top pages, search terms, and summaries. You can look at a summary of your top pages or your referrers. So maybe we're going to take a look at a summary of something. We could probably take a look at a summary of the top pages here. And this is with Jetpack. So it will show you how many visitors you've had to which page. You can look at it weekly, monthly. If you see at the top there, the tabs just going off screen. And you can scroll down and look at your pages. As I said, I've only just installed it, and this is a new website, so there's not a lot of traffic. The Jetpack has only been installed for 2 or 3 days, so the stats are still building. But you can already see stats there, which tells you quite a lot. So you've got a lot of things here. You will see orders. If there's any orders made through WooCommerce, they will come up on here too. On Facebook, you will also see the orders made if they've been made through the WooCommerce shop on Facebook. And so that's just how good WooCommerce, its products, WordPress on your own website, your own domain, with Jetpack installed in a WordPress.com account, and WooCommerce as a free e-commerce solution connected with your Facebook page. You can both share, you can see stats with the Jetpack, you can share your products and your posts, and with BX Page RSS plugin you can also share your pages automatically to up to 4 or 5, 6 networks just by publishing the post or the product. You don't have to go to those 4, 5, 6 other networks. They get shared there. I'm sure they'll add more as they work, Pinterest and God knows what, which I don't recommend Pinterest, by the way. I have other posts about that. And when you upload photos or you look at photos on Facebook, you can tag them with a whole product list of product catalog of however many products you posted in this your WordPress site, which will have been added to the product catalog of Facebook's shop tab automatically without you having to do absolutely anything. So there you go. That's the benefits of WooCommerce connecting with a Facebook page and using auto sharing and tagging products from a catalog onto photos in Facebook. And there you go. That's the end of this particular sharing about experience of marketing and using different software in connection with social networks, and especially WordPress, WooCommerce and Facebook pages, fan pages, and how to integrate them and work with them. That's just one of many ways you can use WordPress, WooCommerce, Jetpack and Facebook to get your stuff out there and get it sold. This is John Spencer, the Webmaster for the Webmaster channel.